Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DevTown. So we are beginning with this Python series and I hope that you are understanding all things and it is very clear to all of you. So now for topic for our today video is string functions. As we have learned about the float and integer functions very well. So in this video we will discuss about the string functions. So what are these functions? So these are some inbuilt functions in the Python for the operation of string. Yes, you have heard it right. So these are the built-in function. So here comes our first function. So this is the length function. I have commented out. So if you don't know how to comment, you just have to use this hash and this line of code will not be executed. Okay. So what is this length function for? What is the use of this? So basically this length function tells us about the length of the string. So now for an example, let us create a string like course. Okay, and we are using double quote. So Python is a programming language. Okay, as you can see, I have created a string course and I have put Python is a programming language in it. So now what I have to do? So now I just have to simply type the print and then length. See guys, now it is showing us the digit 32 and if you count it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So as you can see, it is telling us the length of this string. It is very simple. I hope that you are getting my words. And if you are having any problem in it, so you can tell me it in the comment box also. There is no issue. So in simple word, it is telling us the length of the string. And now comes the other function, which is the second capitalized function. So now what this function do, what is used for? So this function returns a copy of the string when its first character is capitalized. Okay. So if you are giving a whole sentence also, so it will return a string with its first word capitalized. For an example, you can see, okay, let me create a string. So suppose I am creating a string DevTown. Okay, for an example, let me create a DevTown is a good channel. So now what we have to do, we just have to print, then we have to give a dot in it. See guys, now we are what we are getting in the return. So we are getting the same string which we have created, but the first alphabet of this string is changed into capital word. Like you can see that D was small and now it is showing as a capital. So this is how the this capitalized function work in the string. I hope that it is very much clear to you. So now comes here the next function, which is find function. So this function returns the lowest index in the string where the substring is found. If the string is found, it returns the index where it is found, and it is not found if returns. I know that you are confusing. It is very much difficult to understand in this way. So let me show with you an example. Suppose I have created a string. Ram is going to market. Okay, let me okay, and another string with two, which is a substring of it. As you can see, it is included in the A. Now suppose we have to find B in the string. So now what we have to do, we have to type the A, and then this find function, we have to initialize it with B. You don't have to worry, I will explain this answer. Okay. Sorry guys, I have done one mistake. Okay. Okay, there is a missing comma in it. Okay, fine. So now it is showing the 13. Now I will tell you like why it is showing the 13. So what we have done, so we have created the two string A and B is a substring of A. As you can see that 2 is also there. So now we are you like running the find function. So it is showing us 13 because the value of string B is starting from the character 13. As you can count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. It is showing us 13 because of this. So what we have done, we have initialized the find function, isn't it? There's B comma, as we have to find the B, and this 0, we will start this indexing from the 0, and then we have initialized the length, the A in which we have to find, and -1 we have put because the length is always 1 from the indexing, so that's why it is showing 13. So I hope that this thing is very much clear to you, and you are liking this video, this whole series of the Python. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel DevTown.